If you're planning to spend New Year's Eve in New York, you're in the right place. Because the hotel you choose will shape half of your entire experience. Whether you want to feel the Times Square countdown just steps away, walk to Central Park in minutes, or watch the city lights from your window, New York offers incredible hotel options for every budget and every style. From luxury stays and historic landmarks, to mid-range favorites and affordable modern rooms. I'll walk you through the best choices. Now let's take a closer look at the hotels that will make your New York New Year unforgettable. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. We're about to dive into the top hotels in the city. The Plaza Hotel is one of New York's most luxurious and historic landmarks. Located right next to Central Park, this iconic hotel is famous for its elegant rooms, exceptional service, and classic New York atmosphere. If you're looking for a stay that feels truly exclusive, the Plaza is the perfect choice. Imagine a room overlooking Central Park. That's exactly what the Ritz-Carlton New York offers. With first-class service, elegant interiors, and top-tier comfort, it's perfect for both business and leisure, ideal for anyone wanting a truly premium New York experience. The New Yorker is just steps from Times Square and great for value. It stands out with its Art Deco design, spacious rooms, and easy access to the whole city, a perfect choice for travelers who want a central location without overspending. If you want to stay in the heart of Broadway, Hotel Edison is a great choice. It's a mid-range hotel with clean rooms, a relaxed atmosphere, and the energy of the theater district right outside your door. A comfortable stay where you can truly feel the spirit of New York. If you want a budget-friendly but central hotel, Pod 51 is a great choice. The rooms are small yet modern, clean, and practical. It's perfect for travelers exploring New York on a budget. For an affordable stay in Manhattan, Pod 51 is definitely worth considering.